Hi guys, I'm going to show off this knife I got today at a flea market, and this is brand new actually. They legalized these on July 1st of this month, and today is July 21st, so I'm going to go ahead and show off this switchblade that I got. This right here locks the knife, so when you press the button, it can't go off. I'm going to undo that, and here it is. It's a nice knife, I love it. And to close this, you gotta fold this in and again. And that's how the switchblade works. I believe these are also called stilettos. I'm not sure, but it's a nice knife. I love it. But I just thought I'd go ahead and show off this knife, and that's it.